Deductions. So the most exciting part in your income tax returns are the deductions. What I'm going to tell you is two things. One is the true value benefit of claiming a deduction, and two, certain deductions which are not very popular but which are super useful. I'm Yashvant Nijagal, a practicing chartered accountant. Every week I post one video which will certainly provide you with valuable financial insights. So what do I mean by approach? Say you invest rupees 1 lakh in a tax saving scheme fixed deposit with an average return of 6 to 7% and a lock-in period of 5 years. The immediate benefit what you will be getting is rupees 30,000 provided you are in the highest tax slab. As an alternative, if you invest the same amount in a mutual fund with an average return of 13 to 15% over a period of 5 years, the additional gain what you will be getting by investing in mutual funds is close to 15,000 rupees. So you need to keep in mind the objective of making an investment, and it cannot be solely to claim a deduction for the purpose of saving taxes. So let's start off with the key highlights of certain deductions which are pretty useful but not very popular. Just note that you acquaint yourself with the terms and conditions attached to these deductions before going ahead with claiming them. The first one is Section 80GG. This is for individuals who are either not getting HRA or self-employed. The quantum of deductions available is either 5,000 rupees per month or 25% of the total income, or the rent paid less 10% of the total income, whichever is lower. The condition is that the person claiming deduction under this section should not be owning any other property in his name. So the second deduction is for first-time property buyers, which is under Section 80EEA. The benefit under this section is you can claim a deduction of rupees 1,50,000 as interest towards housing loan, and this is in addition to the 2 lakh rupees deduction which you can claim under Section 24. For example, if you are paying a monthly EMI of say 45,000 rupees, out of which 30,000 rupees is the interest amount, the total annual interest you would have paid is 3,60,000. Out of this, 2 lakh rupees can be claimed under Section 24, and the remaining 1,50,000 can be claimed under Section 80EEA. So there are several terms and conditions attached to this section. Let me highlight two major ones. One, that the property value cannot be more than 45 lakh rupees, and two, the property should have been purchased between 1/4/2019 to 31st March 2022. With the rising petrol rates, many of us are shifting into electric vehicles. Now the third deduction is under Section 80EEB, which is for interest paid on loans taken to buy electric vehicles. The quantum of deduction is rupees 1,50,000, and the only condition attached to this is that the vehicle should have been purchased between 1/4/2019 to 31st March 2023. So the fourth deduction is a super useful one, and it is under Section 80E, and it is for interest paid on educational loans. This is applicable to everyone, whether it is for graduation or post-graduation in India or outside India. The best part is that there is no limit on the quantum of deduction, and this is also applicable for vocational or weekend courses. The only restriction is that the benefit is available only for 8 years. The fifth one is a pretty common one. In my previous episode, I had mentioned about considering interest on savings bank account as part of your total income. Now, with respect to this particular income, you can claim a deduction of rupees 10,000 under Section 80TTA, and this is for non-senior citizens. And in case of senior citizens, they can claim a deduction of rupees 50,000, which is with respect to both savings bank interest and fixed deposit interest. In addition to these 5 deductions, there are several other benefits which are available as per the Income Tax Act. You can either read them up online or check with the professional. And finally, let not deductions take priority over prudent investments. No tricks, no hacks. Follow me for valuable financial insights.